Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video, I will be showing you how I installed these Betterlength clip-ins. It's giving me a really nice natural look. You can't even see where the clip-ins start or stop. Yes, looks so good. Look at this curl. So this is their natural curly texture. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so this is how my hair is looking. I'm going from my previous style, and as you can see, I had it in a high ponytail. It's really dirty. I used a lot of spritz and it was already done on dirty hair. So I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I cornrowed it in the shower. I did those braids in the back because that's where my clip ends was going to go on top of, and I just put these two little side braids, and I ended up doing it probably like 2 hours before I started my hair, so my hair is still kind of damp. And I do have a mirror and comb and all that in the shower. And I like to braid my hair in the shower because I have like a lot more moisture in my hair. It's not dry, so that's why I like to braid it. So here I'm going to take some of my hair cream and just put that all over my hair. If you would like to purchase some, just email me BeautyWithTy89@gmail.com. And right here I'm picking those edges because boy, like my hair is so kinky, so I'll have to pluck that out. But I'm putting some Gorilla Snot around my braid, and then I'm going to go ahead and just braid that down. And again, y'all, I have the two locks on the side because I like them. I love my two little locks. They look good. I just, I want them. So that's why I did them. And sooner or later, I'll do like a background story on it, even though I feel like I tell the same story all the time. But don't they look good? Okay, so here's the hair. This is Betterlength. And I did go ahead and co-wash it. So I just rinsed them off, added some conditioner, and that was it because they had like some kind of more uniform curls, and I didn't want that. And y'all, I know I got 50 million naps in the back. Okay, yeah, I got kinky curly hair. You have naps. So I'm just going to put the clip-ins in, and I end up using the entire pack. These Betterlength clip-ins, it only comes with pretty much like one bundle, but in one bundle it comes with 10 pieces, so you really don't need a lot. You don't need more than one bundle. And right here, when I get closer to the top, I take a track and just lay it forward so that I would be able to pull my hair back and not have to worry about covering up a track later. So this is how you want it to look right here. Like I waited till I had maybe like 2 or 3 more pieces to add on top of it. So that's how you want to do it so that you won't have to cover up your track later. So then I go back on top and add like another track or two till I get to the top like this. Just add them back regular, and then I'll take the hair and pull it over, and then you're not even able to see like where the clip ends or the track is. It kind of look like almost like it's crocheted in. See, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take loose the front. And again, these braids are still from me. Put them in the shower. And I was trying to do like some zigzag, but not like wham bam zigzag. I was just trying to like give it like a little electric shock. Yeah, like that. So then go ahead, swoop my hair over using some Gorilla Snot. And of course, if you want to do a middle part, you can, sis. It's up to you. It all look cute. Swoop my little edges back, and then I'm going to twirl that around into a little twist. And then just put a rubber band on top. This style is really, really easy. Like, anybody can do it. And it's really cute and fun. It's something you can do like throughout the week. Like one day you can have it like this, the next day you can have it like the next, and so forth and so forth. Just do different stuff. As you can see, look y'all. Ooh, look like I crocheted in there. Same thing to this side. Gorilla Snot, brush it, rubber band. Yeah. But these clip-ins, they're really nice. They're very affordable. Um, Last a long time. All you gotta do is wash it. If you sleep on it, it's gonna kind of get tangled. You can just detangle it, but you'll be good to go. And they look like this months later because I have some other ones. So just gonna continue to fix my edges, and that's all for this style. Looks really cute, I think. What do you think? You can't even tell it's clip-ins. You can't even see anything. And y'all was talking so much and laughing and doing everything in this video, so excuse me. I had kind of look. But yeah, I think this is really cute. And then the fact you couldn't even see just from flipping the track over. What? Okay. I see you. You cute. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Look at these curls. Look at those curls in the back. Yes. Definition. And all I did was brush it. I didn't do anything but just wash it and run my Demon brush in it. And I tried to use that little teaser thing, and that was not it. Get you a Demon brush because had the curls popping. So this is another style. You can just pull it back into a ponytail, and I feel like it give it a whole nother look. And then when I pull my two little locks on the side, y'all, look at that. It looks so good. And besides the little naps in the back. But yeah, that's a part of the kinky hair. But look at this ponytail. Y'all, it look good. You can't even tell there with clip hands. Like, so defined. Look at that. She cute. Hey, look how long they are. I'm telling you. I really would dread my whole head, but I ain't got time for that. I gotta do my weave. I love weave. I love changing my hair just too much. So I could just have fun with these two. Yeah. Y'all always be talking about it. So let me know about you. Let me know what y'all think about my two little locks. See, I get excited to talk about it. All right, this is 3. I'm just taking these off because all I did was just use one at the top, and then yeah, I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to my hair, but it's okay. I have really thick hair, so just go ahead and plait that up. And I'm using Gorilla Snot, which always leave a residue, and sometimes, you know, I just push it in and put some, what I put on the oil sheen. That's whatever I do. If my edge control turning white, put some oil sheen on it or put some water. Oh my god. Sorry. So then you want to just put your hair into a little bun, and then just put some pieces on top, swirl it around, and you have a whole nother look. Like, that was really cute, really simple. Or you can do your part straight back. That would have been really cute with the little Fulani braids too. But that's how it looks with the ponytail in the back. And then, of course, you can take the ponytail out and it look cute like this. Look at those curls. Look how they just bounce back. Look really good. Ooh la la. Yeah, guys, click the link down below so you can check out this Betterlength hair. And please thumbs up and subscribe to this video if you haven't already. I love you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Peace out.